How to start affiliate marketing. Everyone wants to make money while sleeping. However, few people know the secret to making passive incomes. Affiliate marketing is the practice of earning a commission by promoting the goods of other individuals or businesses. The affiliate simply finds a product they want, promotes it, and receives a portion of the profit from each sale that they make. Affiliate links from one website to another are used to monitor sales. Today, we will tell you about how to start affiliate marketing. Before we start, go ahead and subscribe. Also, press the bell button to get the latest updates. Without any further delay, let us start. Since affiliate marketing distributes product marketing and production responsibilities among parties, it is able to tap into the skills of a wide range of people for a more successful marketing campaign, while also rewarding contributors with a cut of the profits. Three parties must be involved in order for this to work: the seller and the product makers, the affiliate or advertiser, and the customer. A vendor, merchant, product maker, or retailer with a product to offer is a seller, whether a sole proprietor or a large corporation. A physical item, such as household products, or a service, such as makeup tutorials, may be the product. The seller, also known as the company, does not have to be directly involved in marketing, but they may be the advertiser and benefit from affiliate marketing's revenue sharing. The seller might be an e-commerce merchant who started a dropshipping business and wants to reach a new audience by paying affiliate websites to advertise their goods. Alternatively, the seller may be a SaaS firm that uses affiliates to promote its marketing software. Following that, the affiliate, also known as a publisher, is a person or corporation that promotes the seller's products to potential customers in an appealing manner. To put it another way, the affiliate sells the commodity to reassure customers that it is useful or helpful to them and persuades them to buy it. If the customer purchases the commodity, the affiliate earns a percentage of the transaction. Affiliates often advertise to a very small audience, usually adhering to the audience's interests. This establishes a distinct niche or personal brand, which aids the affiliate in attracting customers who are most likely to respond to the promotion. Affiliate marketing is driven by customers and their purchases, whether they understand it or not. Affiliates spread the word about these items on social media, blogs, and websites. The seller and the affiliate splits the profits when the customer purchases the commodity. The affiliate can choose to be transparent with the customer and disclose that they are compensated for the sales that they make. The buyer may be entirely unaware of the affiliate marketing infrastructure behind their purchase at other times. In this case, they will seldom pay more for a commodity brought through affiliate marketing because the affiliate's profit share is already factored into the retail price. Affiliate marketing is driven by customers and their purchases, whether they understand it or not. Affiliates spread the word about these items on social media, blogs, and websites. The seller and the affiliate split the profits when customers purchase the commodity. The affiliates can choose to be transparent with the customer and disclose that they are being compensated for the sales that they make. The buyer may be entirely unaware of the affiliate marketing infrastructure behind their purchase at other times. In this case, they will seldom pay more for a commodity brought through affiliate marketing because the affiliate's profit share is already factored into the retail price. The typical affiliate marketing structure is pay per sale. The merchant pays the affiliate a portion of the product's selling price after a customer purchases the product as a result of the affiliate's marketing efforts. To put it another way, before the affiliate is paid, the investor must actually invest in the product. The next type of affiliate program is pay per lead, which is a more complicated scheme that pays the affiliate depending on the number of leads converted. The affiliate must convince the customer to go to the merchant's websites and take the desired action, such as filling out a contact form and signing up for a product trial, signing up for a newsletter, or downloading software or files. Then there is pay per click. The aim of this program is to encourage affiliates to send customers from their marketing channels to the merchant's website. This means that the affiliate must engage the customer to the point that they can leave the affiliate site and visit the merchants. The affiliate is rewarded based on the increased traffic to the website. The best way to start affiliate marketing is through influencers or bloggers. An influencer is a person who has the ability to influence the buying decision of a wide group of people. This person is well positioned to profit from affiliate marketing. They already have a large following, so directing customers to the seller's products through social media posts, blogs, or other interactions with their followers is easy. The influencers are then paid a portion of the income that they help to generate. Influencer marketing strategies, in which brands collaborate with influencers who are seen as experts or authorities in their specific niches, are especially common on Instagram. A campaign could involve a series of product reviews with photos, account takeovers, or live videos, depending on the offer. If an influencer can have their own identity and style, it's critical to include elements that are associated with your brand to ensure brand recall and recognition. This can be accompanied or accomplished with apps like InstaSize, which allow you to easily edit and customize your campaign's creatives with a single tap. On the other hand, bloggers excel at rising a seller's conversions because they can rank organically in search engine queries. The blogger tests the products or service and then publishes an in-depth analysis that promotes the brand in a convincing manner, directing traffic back to the seller's website. The blogger is recognized for his or her role in spreading the word about the product's importance and assisting the seller in increasing sales. When you first start out in affiliate marketing, you'll want to reach a niche audience with unique interests. This helps you to customize your affiliate campaigns to that specific niche, improving the chances of conversion. You will be able to appeal to the people who are more likely to purchase the product if you define yourself as an expert in one field rather than marketing a wide range of products. There will be no lack of goods for you to promote. You'll have the freedom to select products that you believe in, so make sure your campaigns are focused on genuinely desirable products that customers will appreciate. You'll boost your conversion rate while also building the trustworthiness of your personal brand. You'll also need to improve your email outreach skills in order to collaborate with other bloggers and influencers. To get guest blogging and affiliate opportunities, use a platform like ContactOut or Walla Norbert to collect people's reach details and submit personalized emails. Concentrate on evaluating goods and services that are relevant to your industry. Then, using the reports that you've built with your audience and your authority as an expert, tell your readers why they should buy the product or service that you're promoting. If there is an affiliate program, you can check out almost everything sold online: physical goods, digital apps, or even services booked online, such as ride-sharing or travel resort booking. Comparing this product to those in the same category is particularly useful. Most importantly, to increase conversions, make sure that you are creating informative, articulate content. That's all for today, folks. Tell us in the comment section what is your point of view. See you soon with yet another amazing video.